This guy will be your new friend. Hi everyone, welcome back on the property near the cabin, and as always forgive my English, but today I want to leave a review on these particular tools. It's brushless motor by Prunarbo. I want to leave this review, my tech review on this tool on the channel, because this is my new best friend here in the woods. As you've seen, it's extremely powerful. This battery, it was full this morning, and I'm working about 3 or 4 hours this morning, cutting here and there, and it's extremely powerful. You can cut logs under 20 centimeters of diameter, and I think it's not only for house or hobby use, but it could be a good friend for a professionist too, or off-grid life in this environment, like my life, people like me. And it's really simple, it's light, so you can go out in the woods and cut the firewood for your stove for 1, 2 or 3 nights in a couple of hours without being tired and stuff like this. Well, this is the tool. It's a nice color, and I like the yellow because you can find it easy in this environment. And it's really simple to bring with you, because you don't need extra tools to trim or regulate the chain, because you can adjust this yellow wheel here and then fix it with this black one. And on the other side you have the oil to lubricate the chain, and here is a LED display that shows you how much battery you have. In this moment I still have half battery available. As I told you before, it's really light to bring with you, and I think it's perfect for every one of us. It's useful. Bring it in your car if you live out of the city, if you are in the woods, off-grid, camper van, camping, a trucker, and people who likes or does some jobs. It's really useful to use to have it in your car, because how many times we found a big tree, a big branches on the street, maybe under the snow or heavy rain or strong wind. So with this you can get out of your car, cut your branches, your log, and then get your road free from debris or stuff like this. And I think you should have it in your equipment if you live off grid or something like this. Thank you very much.